Again a heartily welcome to my class 12 student. Today we will start the topic student dipole. So first of all you have to understand what you mean by dipole. What is that? A pair of equal and opposite point charges, that is Q, means I have taken this is positive Q and that is negative Q, separated by a distance 2a. So here I have drawn diagram for you. This is positive charge, this is negative charge, separated by a distance 2a. So how you can measure the concept of dipole? Therefore that we have taken the concept of dipole moment. So what do you mean by dipole moment, student? Dipole moment of an electric dipole, it is on which quantity? It is a vector quantity whose magnitude is either charge times, means Q times the separation, means as both are separated by 2a, so Q times of separation of the distance between the charges. So this is the concept of dipole moment. Now if I want to give you the concept of dipole moment or electric dipole in your book, student, it is divided into two forms. One is the axial, another is equatorial. So today we will start the topic of electric field on an equatorial due to an electric dipole. Okay, the other name also they used to ask in examination, derive an expression for electric field on a plane perpendicular to the dipole axis through its center. So this both meaning is same, the way they will ask you this question. Okay, so first of all we will understand the concept in the form of diagram. See, here I have drawn the diagram for you, student. This is the negative charge, this is the positive charge. They are separated by a distance 2l. Okay, so as they are separated by a distance 2l, if this is the center, this is L and this is L. Clear? This negative charge apply an electric field at this point. Suppose this is point P. Clear? This is point P. So P is divided into this red theta. You can see two component. One is sin theta and near theta. One is cos theta. Similarly, again this positive charge I have taken the resultant component like this, and again one angle I have taken here as theta. So this theta for this axis and the red theta for negative. So you can see, I must clear the diagram once again, student. Negative black color, positive red color, and the both are split into two component. Red far is sin theta, close is cos theta. Black far is sin theta, close is cos theta. If you see both the directions, student, of sin theta, both are opposite to each other. So these two component will cancel out. What will remain? These two. Okay, so we can find out the resultant electric field like this. E is equal to E plus E minus. As both has an angle cos theta is same, so I can write 2E cos theta. Now my first privilege, how to find out the value of E. So to find out the value of E, student, you know the formula 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q R square, right? This is the common formula I am telling to you. But in this diagram, how you will find out R square? So I can find out R square. Suppose this perpendicular OP I am taking as R. This is L. So this is root over of R square plus L square. So distance here, R is the distance of separation. So what is the distance of separation between positive charge and the point where it experiences electric field? That is this one. So you can put the value. Suppose it is you are taking for positive charge, you write it 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q R square plus L square, as already square is present and this root over is present, both will cancel, you will get like this. Or I can write again for you. Suppose this is whole square and 1/2 I can write this will cancel, so you will get E plus Q is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q R square plus L square. Same formula for the negative charge also, minus Q, student, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. You can consider any triangle. This triangle you can consider, you know this is R, this is L, as it is an equatorial line. So this distance O minus Q, P is also root over of R square plus L square. So this is Q by r ka square plus l ka square. You sum of both, E is equal to what will? It is 2E cos theta. Why is cos theta, my dear student? Because these two are remaining same. Clear? So 2, you put any problem, both are same, you put value here, and one thing you have to find out cos theta value from this diagram. How you can find it cos theta, students? Suppose I am taking this triangle and as the alternative this is theta. Clear? If theta is a theta, cos theta is nothing but base by hypotenuse. What is your base, my dear? In this triangle, this is a base and L. So you write L. What is your hypotenuse? That is root over of r square plus L square. Clear? So I can write 2E NE1 4 pi epsilon naught Q r square plus L square. Cos theta I have got like this, r square plus L square to the power half. Now you add up, you will get 2QL by r square plus L square 3 by 2. Why 3 by 2? If you put this one as bracket, the power is 1, half plus 1 is 3 by 2. So as you know the formula of that P, student, dipole, Q into 2L. This is the formula of dipole. So you write E is equal to P by r square plus L square 3 by 2. Okay, and if you write L is very very less than R, you neglect this L, you will get as E is equal to P by R Q. Okay, and you can into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is the thing which you have to always put it. Here also I have omitted, but you can put it, student. You cannot neglect 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. So conclusion in very clear manner you can get. I can write again for you. E equatorial you get as 1 by 4 pi P R Q. So here one thing you can see, student, general formula E is inversely proportional to r square, but in the dipole what I have seen, it is cube of electric field, means here electric field is changing at very faster rate compared to the point charge. This is for the point charge and this is formula for the dipole. Now I will move for the axial point, student. In the axial point, same E is at the axial point. Now you can take two axial, means along the axis. One is negative, another is positive, separated by 2A. The place where the charge experience or apply, this is the point where it will experience the electric field due to the negative charge and positive charge. That is point P. So P is experience the electric field due to this both the charges. So we will write the formula for the both charges. Negative formula as it is, Q 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. In place of r square, what you will write, my dear? That is a distance. This you have to focus. Okay. So first you have to observe point P and the distance of charge. This one. Suppose this one I am taking. This is for the positive charge. So this one. So positive charge to this one. See, this is from this one is r. And this is the distance is how much? 2A. That is, suppose this is A and are you seeing, student? This is A, this is A. This 2 is 2A. So similarly from the center to point is R. So what is plus Q? P distance? It is nothing but R minus A whole square. Okay. This is toward my right hand side. But if I will take P toward left, because here is the P and minus Q is toward left. So from this to this distance is how much? Suppose this is R. Where? P to O. What has been left? This distance. That is again A. So R plus A. See? R plus A whole square. Now again resultant formula you know. You add this two. See? I have added this two. Now after adding I have put the formula. Simply you will find this negative charge due to the negative charge. I have added up, but have you seen one charge is plus Q, another charge is minus Q. So as charge is minus Q, then the minus sign is come here. You add, you solve this one, you will get the answer this one. And here see dipole formula P is equal to Q into 2A. So Q into 2A, I have split, my dear. 4A is split into 2A into 2. So 2A here, one extra 2 is here. So Q into 2A, my dear, P. and 2r is as it is. So this is the concept of axial. So again what you will do, you neglect, you write your r is very greater than a, neglect a value, you will get this formula. Okay, and here also you conclude that E axial due to dipole. My dear student, E axial due to dipole is inversely proportional to the cube of the distance. So everywhere you can able to see that distance of separation is inversely proportional to cube form in dipole but square form in point charges. Clear? So this conclusion give you the electric field act along the dipole from negative to positive charge, that is along the axis, along the direction of P. Thank you so much for watching this video.